Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, I will be showing you how to remove the channel option or the channels display on your WhatsApp. So go to your WhatsApp application and go to under updates down below. You can see here, when you scroll down to the very bottom, you can see the channels. Now, these channels are mostly made up of different brands or football clubs or celebrities. But what you want to do is you can have options of creating channel or finding your favorite channels, or you can click explore more. You can also have an option to go to that channel and unfollow if you have already followed them. But this video is if you want to remove the channel display, as you can see here. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings tab, as you can see below settings. Once you're in, go to chats, and then here under chat backup, and then click backup now. And then once it has completed its backup, you can go to your website, your search engine, and then search for WhatsApp old version, right? And by the way, this works mostly for Android, so if you're using Apple, this video is not for you, unfortunately. And then once you're in here, you can see the different dates on the older versions of WhatsApp. But what we want to click or choose is before September 13. So you can click September 12, 8, 6, 5, as long as it's before September 13, because the channel's display was updated during that time, September 13, 2023. So once we have clicked that and click download, as for me, this will not work since I'm using an iOS. But if you're using an Android, after clicking download, you you uninstall your WhatsApp, your regular WhatsApp, and then it will download the older version of WhatsApp. And once you have logged in, you can see that the channel display is already gone. Thank you.